Off of work now. I had to go pick up the truck because I'm going to be starting day 4 with a quick trip to Home Depot to pick up some needed supplies to finish up the living room walls. Then it will be back to the house and do a little bit of work. Have a birthday party to go to tonight, so I don't know if I'll be able to do too much work, but get done what I can. Every day's another day. If it be 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, half an hour, it's all better than none. So, see you back at the house. Alright guys, I'm back. Not like you really realize that anyways, because it was just a cut. So I'm gonna unload the truck with what little bit I bought, hang a little bit of insulation. I don't know if I'll be doing anything else, but at least get insulation on that exterior wall, and see if I have time to do anything else. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse. That'll conclude the little over an hour I put in today. So living room has all insulation installed, so now I'm ready to sheetrock those last little spots, and then I get to rebuild the air intake for the AC over there, the air return, and then sheetrock all in there. But that'll be it for today. So check back tomorrow. Maybe I'll come back, maybe I won't. I don't know. Tomorrow's Friday, so we'll see.